There's a couple different ways to check for duplicates within Salesforce.com. For example, if I wanted to go to my leads, and I'm going to select one of my leads here, Michael Abad from Abbott Laboratories. Now I can simply hit Find Duplicates, and it will go in, and based on the criteria that I'm selecting, whether it's name, last name, company, email, domain, or phone, and I can determine which leads are matching. Right now I'm just searching on name, email, and company, and I can see that we do have some matches here for Michael, but we also had another close match with George. In this particular case, it looks like these two are an exact duplicate. I can go ahead and merge those leads, and Salesforce will make sure that I'm selecting the appropriate information. So I can see which is the most up-to-date and real information. I can see this one has an application for gauging. I'd like to select that, but all the other information looks exactly the same. So I'm going to go ahead and merge these records, and I'll be able to eliminate duplicates. Another way of doing this is if, for example, I wanted to look at a different lead here, and we'll use Juan as an example. If I don't choose to use the Find Duplicates, I can simply hit Convert, and it will let me know, first of all, this company already exists, so I can determine, am I going to create a new company, or am I going to attach this to an existing company? If I choose to do either and hit Save, it will then look for Juan as a contact and make sure that I'm not duplicating that information as well. If I go into my companies and I want to have a look, for example, at Fibro, I can now make sure that I'm not creating any duplicates simply by hitting Merge Contacts. And I can look through my contacts to find out, again, if there are any similar contacts to merge. In this particular case, I don't see any duplication, but I can make sure that, for example, Cam and Camilo, they look pretty similar even though they have different spelling, different email, and different phone number. So I can manually go in, select those two contacts to merge, hit Next, and again, it'll give me a side-by-side comparison. I'm going to say that I'd like to keep the name Camilo, and we'll use that as his name, but I do know that the rest of this information is correct, so I can now go ahead and merge those two contacts to clean up the data. Those are just two of the ways that you can make sure that you're not creating duplicates within Salesforce.